I've been working for, I think, about almost 4 years. I started working last 2005 or 6. Then, ano pa, yan,
So, sir, let's proceed to the hard questions.
Okay.
First, what was your plan goals after you graduated from college?
Well, first, plano ko is, syempre, to look for a job, which is an IT job, of course, kasi graduate of computer science. So, ayun. So, that was my first plan after I graduated.
So, sir, did you achieve that plan? Nakahanap mo ba kayo?
Well, siguro for about a few months, after a few months, nakahanap ko. And, fortunately, okay naman yung first job ko kasi okay naman yung mga kasama ko.
So, sir, that leads us to our second question. How were you able to impress the interviewers when you applied for the position you are in?
Impress? Well, siguro, yung first interview ko, nagtinanong nila ako anong mga qualities ko. Then, parang sinabi ko lang, actually sinabi ko, as far as I can remember, sinabi ko, parang I'm willing to learn, I can work as late as you want, parang gano'n. Parang, sinasabi ko lang sa kanila na open ako sa mga trainings, kasi nga willing to learn. Well, actually, gano'n naman dapat talaga.
So, obviously, sir, na-impress niyo sila. What are the guidelines?
Ko eh. Joke lang.
Yung next question, ano ba yung factors or guidelines or patterns you have used to choose an area of specialization?
Guidelines or patterns? Well, for me, it should be of your interest. Kasi, kahit saan naman if you're not interested in what you're doing, wala rin. Hindi ka maging successful. So, that's the first thing that you should consider. For me, interest din, syempre yung expertise, if ever sanay ka nga sa ganung work, and syempre, dun ka magko-concentrate. So yun, area of specialization, yun nga, IT, basta software jobs.
Something of your interest. So sir, let's jump to the sixth question. What's the biggest mistake you've made regarding in your present profession and how you were able to overcome or correct that mistake?
Biggest mistake? Well, siguro yung hindi lang namimit yung deadlines. Minsan. Kasi marami namang factors yun kaya hindi namimit yun. Pwedeng ikaw yung reason kung bakit hindi na-meet. Pwedeng ibang tao. So, siguro yun yung one of the biggest mistakes that I've made. How am I able to overcome? Ayun, siguro sinasabi ko lang yung reasons bakit gano'n. Then, yung work naman, syempre, gagandaan mo yung work mo. Like, quality of work. And kahit medyo delay, at least wala rin silang masasabi. Okay na
Quality
sila.
assurance.
Oo, QA ako eh.
So sir, what are the steps you take whenever a major project is assigned to you? And do you usually finish it before the deadline?
Steps. Syempre, yung unang gagawin mo, basically, is to ask questions about the task that is given to you. For example, may pinapatest sa'yo or pinapagawa sa'yo. And then, syempre, ask ka ng questions. Ano yung requirements? So, we have to make sure it's clear. The job is clear. Then, ayun, they usually finish it. Yeah, usually, kailangan talaga eh. Kasi pag hindi mo na-finish yan, yari ka. Ayun lang.
Well, sir, how can you say that your current job enhances your skills and abilities?
Well, kasi interested ako sa job ko. Then, it's in line with what I studied. So, I think that's, Ayun, na-enhance siya.
Do you experience being criticized by your office mates or coworkers, and how do you deal with it?
Well, of course, di naman nawawala yun eh. Lalo na yung mga test leads and managers. Kasi parang every quarter, mayroon kami review. For example, kakausapin ng manager mo tungkol sa mga improvements na kailangan mo yung mga improvements na kailangan mong i-improve. Kadaan-daan. Yung mga kailangan mong i-improve, tapos yung quality of work mo, okay ba? Then, ayun, criticize. Meron naman kasing negative, meron positive. So how do I deal with it? Well, pag positive, syempre, okay. Pero pag negative, wala, parang constructive na lang yung iniisip ko. So, para hindi naman makasira sa akin. Walang personalan kasi mabaho.
Yes, sir, what keeps you motivated?
Motivation. Siguro yung mga colleagues. Kasi pag gusto mo yung makakasama mo sa work, yung mag-enjoy ka.
Inspire.
Parang si Nay. Pero kasama yan. Tapos, yun, yung pa rin, interest pa rin. Para, syempre, kung hindi ka naman interest, hindi ka naman motivate.
What are your greatest achievements in your present life? And how are you able to?
Well, siguro achievements. Kasi, so far, di pa naman ako lead eh. Pero, may employee lang. Pero, siguro mga achievements ko yung mga work namin. Okay. Walang sabit, walang bugs, gano'n.
Napupuri ng boss.
Oo naman.
Yun, achievement is
Achievement yun, achievement. How am I able to accomplish it? Ano pa? Well, teamwork naman yun eh. So, if you do your part, then siguro, maayos mo yun.
Do you think you are growing professionally?
Oo naman. I think so.
Why?
Why? Kasi parang everyday, through experience, may natututunan ang mga strategies, then eventually na-apply mo siya every new task na ginagawa. Parang nagawa ko na to before. So parang mas mapapadali sa'yo. Siguro yung nag-grow na rin ako professionally kasi alam ko na yung mga kailangan ko.
You're getting that.
Yes, I'm getting that. Yes.
Yes, sir. Our economy is getting matured and a lot of good IT graduates are being discovered. Do you bother about this issue?
What do you mean, do you bother?
Are you bothered?
Am I bothered?
Yes.
Hindi naman. Actually, for me, this is a positive thing. Kasi kung maraming good programmers, like for example, trabaho namin, kung maraming edi mas mag-improve yung economy natin.
What are your future plans regarding your career?
Ano ba? Future plans. Siyempre, gusto ko rin mag-promote. Kasi ngayon, sa job ko, quality assurance. So, more on testing kami. So, siguro, next step would be maging test lead. Naging test lead ka, then after that, manager. Kung kaya, pwede, di ba? Kasi yun nga, marami rin obligations in work. Pero okay lang, part of work na yun.
Last question, sir. Can you give advices for the youths like us who aspire to be like you someday?
Like me? Sigurado kayo.
Oo naman. Why not?
Ano ba? Well, sa ngayon, yung mga nag-aaral pa, studies, sige lang, okay lang. Mag-aaral lang kayo, matapos kayo. Okay din, mas okay, bonus kung may flying colors, diba? Pero kung wala, okay lang din, at least natapos kayo. Then after graduating, ayun, i-apply nyo naman yun ang pag-aaralan, sayang eh. Paano magpaaral ngayon? Then yun, tapos pag nag-work na yun, gawin nyo lang yung trabaho. Ayun, saka make love network.
That's it, sir. Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.